Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to display folders on your desktop in Windows 11. Whether you're someone who prefers quick access to important locations like this PC or documents, or you just want your desktop to feel more familiar, this guide has you covered. Let's begin. If you want to add other custom folders, like your personal folders or any folder from File Explorer, you can do that manually. Here's how. First, open File Explorer, and then, find the folder you want to appear on the desktop. Right-click on it, and select Show More Options. Then click on Send To. Then select Desktop Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut to that folder directly on your desktop, giving you easy one-click access. We can now go back to the desktop screen and let's see the results. And that's it. The folder has appeared on the desktop screen. Once your folders are visible on the desktop, you can right-click anywhere on the desktop background, go to View, and choose to auto-arrange icons, align them to grid, or even change their size, small, medium, or large. You can also simply drag and drop them to arrange things however you like. That's it. Now you know how to show important folders and system icons on your Windows 11 desktop. It's a simple change, but it can really boost your workflow and make navigating your computer much quicker. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful Windows 11 tips and tricks. If there's anything specific you want to learn, feel free to drop your suggestions in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!